This is our new course, the Coding and Design course, and the whole premise of the course is to introduce the students to new and innovative technologies and to learn how these technologies work. So this is the first time that we're going through with this project, and we've started just learning a little bit about the drones, how they work, and then we got all of the different components to it. We've put them together, and then we're going to try and fly them and see how that goes.
Today is really all about making our drone fly and trying to bind it, which it's trying to connect it to the annual server. And if it does that, then you have to ease the throttle so it takes lift.
These are very small drones. They're basic drones that have a plastic frame. They have 4 propellers, quadcopters as we call them, and they have the camera that's attached to them so that they can watch them as they're, one person can watch on the display board as the other students are flying them.
I learned you gotta just keep trying no matter how many times you fail, because we failed a lot, but it eventually worked, so yeah.
They use these technologies. Many of the students have already worked with drones. They've already flown drones that they have purchased, and now this gives them the background knowledge of how the drone works.
I have a drone in my house, so I'm used to flying it.
And my cousin had a drone, and I one of those little ones like these, and I got to fly it.
The overall message is just to learn about new technologies. Not only have we been learning about how the drone works and how to put it together and how to fly it, but we've also been looking at drones in the news and how they're used. So that's what we want them to learn about, these new technologies, because they are constantly changing, and we need to just be aware and have our students be aware.